Hi everyone, my name is Chabon Shangano. I'm the founder and CEO of Love Your Stays, a company which provides serviced apartments in Glasgow, in Northampton, in Coventry, and Birmingham. Today I'm going to do you a quick video of a new property we've taken on. This property is in Glasgow. It's a 4-bedroom house, and we're going to be renting it out as a serviced accommodation. Come inside the property and I'll do the walkthrough with you. If you walk up the hallway, the first room on the left is the bedroom. So as you can see, this bedroom has got 2 double beds. Other people would put single beds. However, for our designs, we usually go for a double beds in a room, because when a guest comes, they want to sleep in a double bed, most probably preferred to a single bed. When you leave this property, you go straight into another bedroom, which is a huge bedroom. So this one is the biggest bedroom in this property. This bedroom, we've also put 2 double beds in this bedroom with a desk for someone to work on if they've got like work which they want to do. So this room also can sleep 2 guests comfortable, 1 on each bed, especially contractors. That's what they like. No one wants to share a bed because they're coming from different families. As you come out of the bedroom, you go into the lounge. You see the lounge is got like 3-seater sofa and a 1-seater sofa. So 4 people can sit here and watch TV. As you leave the lounge, you go into the kitchen. The kitchen for this property is a tiny kitchen. It's designed for people who are coming for short stays, come in for a week, 2 weeks. Besides it being small, it's got everything you require. It's fully equipped with the fridge, microwave, cooker hob, oven. It's got a washing machine, everything you require for your stay. As you leave the kitchen, you come back to the lounge and go into another bedroom, which we call bedroom 3. So in this bedroom 3, it's only got a double bed as well, so it can sleep another guest. As you leave this room, you go upstairs, and upstairs, that's where the attic room is, the loft. In the loft as well, there is another double bed, so another guest can sleep comfortable in here. The loft, the headspace is a bit tight further up, but you can walk around. Got a wardrobe, built-in wardrobe with a mirror, so it is a lovely space to be in. As you know, this house is a 4-bedroom house with 6 beds, which I've just taken you and shown you around. The reason why we've put 6 double beds is, from experience, we've noticed that a lot of people don't like to be sleeping on the single beds. So we said if we've got space and we can squeeze in a double bed, we'd rather do that and attract more contractors, more business travelers who want to utilize the double beds. This house is perfectly for business travelers, for holiday goers, families, whoever comes and visits Glasgow. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, as I'll be posting and documenting a lot of these serviced accommodation walkthroughs and a lot of the properties which we're developing. If you want to book a stay with us, there is a link below. You can click on the link. You can book a stay in either city, whether it's Glasgow, it's Birmingham, it's Northampton, it's Coventry, or Leicester. We've got properties in those cities. You can book your stays. So we always go for high-end, high-quality finish, which attracts a lot of both business goers and contractors and holiday makers as well. Thank you for watching this video.